Hello there! Recently I had the idea of buying a Swage block. The problem here in Germany, I couldn't find one. So let's make one ourselves. Please be kind, this is my first time making a video in English. This is 25mm square stock. Of our imperial friends, that's 0.984 inch or inches. When you say inch or inches, when it's more than 1 or 2 or 16 feet, please educate me. Anyways, let's get started with this 90-degree bend. We want a lot of heat, so of course we're gonna use the coal forge. I'm actually quite excited. I never bent that much steel in one piece. Let's go! That went way better than I thought. I rarely use stuff this thick, and I honestly thought it would take me like 5 or 10 heats to bend this 90 degrees. Seems just one and the right tools. These are the sizes I'm planning to putting in here. That's 0.3 inches, 0.4 inches, 0.55 inches, 0.62 inches. This is 1.18. And just shy of 2 inches, 1.92. I already made 3 grooves so far. Problem being, the pieces I used to make those grooves are getting mangled by me hammering them cold. And the 2 bigger pieces, I don't want to destroy them, because this is originally from a trailer hitch from a tractor where just a piece is missing. So I leave it here. I'm gonna clean up a little bit more, and in the long run maybe I'm gonna weld a piece of rod here that goes into the Pritchell hole, so I have 2 points where this is going to be held in place. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.